it's Leanne from Healthful Pursuit, and this is another mini-sode of the Keto Diet Podcast. You might be like, what? It's a Friday and we have a mini-sode? Yes, we do. And this was planned. This has been planned for quite some time because my 12-week video training program for women, Happy Keto Body, is open for registration right now until August 26th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. And last time we launched the program in April of this year, we had a lot of difficult questions that you can't really answer in an email because it takes a really long time for the person that's receiving the answer to read it all and understand it all. So we just figured, okay, this time I'm going to sit in front of a mic, answer all the difficult questions. That way you can just sit there and listen and decide whether or not Happy Keto Body is right for you. So if you're already a member, hey girl, you might just want to skip this episode. But if you're not, and you've been kind of trying to figure out, is Happy Keto Body right for me? Am I going to continue guessing, struggling, quitting keto if I continue on this path? Or am I looking to heal, balance, and thrive? And do I feel like I can't do that on my own, or I need different tools? And you have all these questions and you just need help understanding what is right for you. I'm hoping that the questions I'm answering today will kind of guide you in the right direction for you personally. Really, I don't want you to join Happy Keto Body if you don't need it. But if you do need it and you've been struggling to figure out whether or not you need it or if it's right for you, I'm hoping that the questions I'm about to answer will be helpful. Okay, question number 1. Is this good for me if I'm menopausal, postmenopausal, perimenopausal, or if I have a health imbalance like thyroid issues, autoimmune issues, or I'm pregnant or planning to become pregnant? So Happy Keto Body, which you can find more details at happyketobody.com, is an online learning and doing experience for anyone interested in applying a ketogenic diet for overall health and healing. We provide you with the tools you need to successfully interpret your body's signals. If there are certain protocols that you're unsure of in the program that we share in the program, then I would say chat with your doctor about your concerns. But the info inside is universal for any life stage. And we've added hours of content specifically for postmenopause, perimenopause, menopause, as well as an epic section on fertility, pregnancy, and breastfeeding. So even if you didn't just hear about your specific issue, chances are very good that you will find the answers you're looking for inside the membership program. Deanna wrote to me, who is an HKB member, I'm in my mid-50s with Hashimoto's and I'm perimenopausal. I've been keto for about a year and I got lazy about some things, but when Leanne announced Happy Keto Body, I jumped in. Y'all, this program is packed and so much good information. Money doesn't grow on trees, but this is one of the best investments you can make for your health. Do what you have to set aside the money for it. You won't regret it. Thanks, Gianna. Okay, question number 2 is, how is Happy Keto Body different from balanced keto meal plans? Happy Keto Body is a full spectrum keto education program designed to give you solid answers on scientific research and the latest in naturopathic medicine. Yes, there are meal plans included in the program. There's a total of 21 days, so you can quickly and easily put what you're learning into practice, but they are not core to the program. Think of them like a tasty bonus to help you completely crush it, but know that you're not going to be given a meal plan every single day for the 12-week program. The core of the program is designed to help you stand on your own 2 feet and ditch the keto guessing game for good. So it allows you to figure out what works best for your body and customize your own eating so that it's a lot more mindless, but also mindful at the same time. Okay, question number 3. Isn't keto really simple? Why the heck do I need a 12-week program to help me? Yeah, sure. Getting started on keto might be kind of simple at first, but if you hang around the keto sphere a little while, you start to see complications cropping up all over the place. Am I getting my macros right? Am I taking the right supplements? Am I fueling my workouts properly? How do I keto on vacation? How do I keto when I eat out? How do I curb cravings? What should I do if my hormones are changing? How do I stop losing my hair? And on and on and on. For each of these questions, there's an anecdotal answer, aka someone else's best guess based on their limited experience. And there's the medical answer based on actual science. Happy Keto Body delivers the scientific answers to all of your keto questions. Now, here's a little excerpt from Nora F., a Happy Keto Body member. Today, I was watching the cravings video and I had a chocolate craving, and I listened to my body and asked, what is in the chocolate? I learned it was magnesium, so I added magnesium powder to water and the cravings stopped. I still love chocolate, but I'm not obsessed like I was before. LOL. Thanks so much again. Question number 4. I've seen other keto programs that focus mainly on what to eat. Does Happy Keto Body do that? So keto is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. And I'm sure you've heard that before. Yes, what to eat is important. That's why Happy Keto Body includes the 21-day meal plan plus grocery lists and recipes so that you can take what you're learning in the program and crush it right from the get-go. But as I'm sure you've already experienced, it can be downright hard to sustain your keto lifestyle based on meal plans alone. What you'll be getting inside Happy Keto Body is a full spectrum keto education so that you can have total confidence to stand on your own 2 feet and finally ditch the guessing game. I know this will be a turn off to fad dieters, but that's okay. My obligation isn't to them. It's to you, the committed keto woman who's done with the on-again, off-again diet train wreck and who's dedicated to balancing and healing her body through a holistic keto lifestyle. Okay, question number 5. How long will I have to wait to get access after I join? So as soon as you join Happy Keto Body, you're going to have immediate access to week 1. And there's a lot of stuff in week 1 to keep you busy for the first week, which gives you an in-depth explanation of what keto is, how it works, plus 7 success boosting resources to keep you confidently on the path to your Happy Keto Body. And if you're not new to keto, you'll still want to watch week 1 because, as you'll learn pretty quickly throughout the program, the insanely in-depth scientific information from both myself and Dr. Nina, who's joined for this program, provides a unique approach to holistic keto that's vastly different from most of the information you'll find on the interwebs. After you join, your complete keto education will be delivered over the course of 12 weeks, so you can consume all the goodies in delectable bite-sized chunks. After you join, your complete keto education will be delivered over the course of 12 weeks. Another message from one of our Happy Keto Body members: I love that the content is released weekly as it encourages you to take things one step at a time. I've invested in many online courses and find that I usually get overwhelmed by the amount of content. Thanks so much, Lauren. Okay, question number 6. How much time will I need to invest every week? Happy Keto Body is delivered in 12 weekly modules so you don't get overwhelmed. You have the option to keep pace with your weekly schedule, or if you want to slow things down, you can totally go at your own pace. If you choose to keep pace with our schedule, you'll only need to block off about a few hours a week. Dive in and spend as much or as little time as your heart desires and your schedule allows. Either way, before you know it, you'll be on your way to total keto confidence in a matter of days. Question number 7. Can you remind me of all of the things I'm going to get when I join today? Because there's a lot and everyone's like, how much do I get? Yeah, totally. When you join today, you'll get access to the entire Happy Keto Body program delivered over 12 weeks. That includes 24 hours of in-depth online video modules, access to convenient blood work testing and analysis by a doctor, 19 deep dive special guest interviews, downloadable worksheets, recipes, meal plans to streamline your keto day every day, plus a supportive community of keto sisters to motivate and encourage you along the path to pure keto joy. Plus, you'll get dozens of free bonuses, which I'm not totally going to get into because there's too many and we'll be here forever. The positive vibes calendar, dealing with allergy sensitivities and diet restrictions, supplements to support so that you know what supplements you need versus what you don't, reducing your toxic load, and just like, there's just too many. We'll be here forever. Okay, question number 8. How can I know if it's right for me? So let's start off with who it's not for. If you're lazy keto, quote unquote, yes, that's a thing. There's actually a Facebook group by that name, and I totally get it. Some people just want to lose weight and aren't all that interested in what's happening behind the scenes inside the body, and they aren't interested in customizing their keto diet to heal and balance their internal systems for optimal results. And that's totally okay if you're lazy keto and that's where you are. But here's what I know to be true. Many of my own best clients started as lazy keto women and quickly realized that the approach just doesn't work long term. When you stall out, and chances are you might, there's not much room to improve if all you know is fathead pizza, drink bulletproof coffee, egg fast, repeat. Still, if you're currently content with lazy keto and it's working for you and things are good, Happy Keto Body probably isn't the thing that you would want to invest your time, energy, and money into. But if you've already found out the hard way that lazy keto equals getting stuck, or if you're on this path because you want to heal and nourish your body with a holistic approach to keto, if you're a woman who wants to 10 times her benefits from keto, whether you're just starting out or you've been here for a while, if you're in your 20s or 60s, menopausal, or trying to get pregnant, or somewhere in between, whether you have thyroid issues, adrenal issues, or other type of health imbalances, or want to understand the science behind keto so that you can uncover the best strategy for specific to you killer results. If you want a community of other women who know what you're going through and will support you in your journey, and you want in-depth medical advice from a naturopathic doctor, then I promise Happy Keto Body will triple your confidence and help you stay motivated. So that does it for all of our big, heavy questions. At this point, you should have everything you need to make the best choice for you and your keto lifestyle. If that road leads you to Happy Keto Body, then you can head on over to happyketobody.com. And I look forward to hearing from you on the inside. Again, that's happyketobody.com, and registration closes Sunday, August 26th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. Okay, I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye.
Thanks for listening to the Keto Diet Podcast. Join us again next Sunday to discover more keto for women secrets for your fat-fueled life. The Keto Diet Podcast, including show notes and links, provides information in respect to healthy living, recipes, nutrition, and diet, and is intended for informational purposes only. The information provided is not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment, nor is it to be confused as such. We cannot guarantee that the information provided on the Keto Diet Podcasts reflects the most up-to-date medical research. Information is provided without any representations or warranties of any kind. Please consult a qualified physician for medical advice, and always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding your health and nutrition program.